With a truck powered by electricity, your fleet management can't look like this, of course. The digital services of Mercedes-Benz Trucks are here to support you. From the first second, TruckLive keeps your truck connected to the digital service world of Mercedes-Benz Trucks. And with Fleetboard, you get a real-time overview of all the key data relating to your fleet. Mercedes-Benz Trucks Uptime helps you avoid or minimize predictable breakdowns and extended downtimes by monitoring the status of multiple systems in your truck. So you can plan ahead more effectively for repairs and maintenance. You see, whether it's modern fleet management or pioneering electric drive technology, we've never been into standing still.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.